Thus far in this module, we've spent a lot of time talking about how Google identifies and categorizes inbound marketing traffic to your websites and applications. We then spent some time looking around traffic acquisition reporting, knowing that traffic acquisition is the process of identifying the source of the session and then what happens in that session from our users. We looked at different ways of identifying and drilling down the performance of our campaigns and our marketing channels, knowing that the UTM parameters we're using for the inbound traffic is directly available in the reports, whether that's a primary dimension, secondary dimension, or even adding in a report filter. I'd like you to have a go at this now. So go into the same reports that we've been into in the last couple of videos. See if you can identify your top 5 and bottom 5 performing campaigns, channels, or sources and mediums. If you've not been using the UTM mediums before, then this is an opportunity to go experiment with them as well. I've linked in the description of this video a blog post around UTMs if you wanted to start somewhere or you haven't been using them already. But just go to your website and type in a query string and add in UTMs of whatever you want. Wait until tomorrow and then that data will be present in your reports, and just start to see how the mechanisms of all this work. So go in, see if you can find your top and bottom performing campaigns, and while you're at it, why not have a go at putting some stuff in some UTMs and seeing that in your reports as of the next day. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next couple of videos we're going to be going through different types of acquisition reporting, but enjoy playing and I'll see you in the next video.